Hey everyone, welcome to the free course all about how to start dropshipping with $0. Yes, it sounds crazy, but I'm going to show you how you can build a store and can get sales with actually no money. I know as a beginner, no one wants to spend money as it will increase pressure of getting sales. And if you start dropshipping with $0, you are able to just ease your way into online business and e-commerce. People do charge thousands of dollars for courses like this one, but I'm going to teach you for free. It's here for you all, it's a free course. So do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to create more content like this and help you with the free material. Let's start this video. So this is what we are going to learn in today's free course. Number 1, why you should start dropshipping. Number 2, how to find a winning product. Number 3, how to build a professional looking website for absolutely free. Number 4, how to advertise your product with $0 and the marketing strategy which I personally use to get sales. And this is how I make 6-figure store by following some strategies which I'm going to take you through today in this video. So don't skip any part of the video and watch till the end. So what is dropshipping? It's a business model where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The dropshipper, who is basically doing dropshipping, never sees or handles the product. And if you want to learn dropshipping in deep, then you can check out my previous video. Now, why should I start dropshipping? So the answer is it's beginner friendly. This is also my first business. I started it in my teenage when I'm continuing my studies as well. And if it's your first step in e-commerce, you can do dropshipping with very ease as it has very low risk. It involves no inventory and shipping by yourself. You can run this business from anywhere in the world, which makes it more easy to work with. And let me tell you the most exciting thing about this side hustles which draws my attention too, and that is you can start this with $0. And seriously, there is no business in this world which starts with absolutely no money. Now, how to find a winning product? All you have to do is market research, identifying trending niches or products by productive scrolling. Now, when I say productive scrolling, I mean scrolling which adds value to your life, not just for fun or time pass only. Check what's going around you, what's going trending, what's going viral, and what kind of product your friends and the people around you liking. What's the demand of the consumer? Look for products with high demand and low competition. So, how are you gonna do that? First of all, go to TikTok and search hashtag TikTok when you buy it and simply scroll through those videos. Also, you can do other keyword research and scroll through it until you find the one. You can also search Amazon Finds in order to find winning product. Secondly, you can go to AliExpress and search top selling products, dropshipping, fitness product or any other keyword research. You can go to Instagram and Facebook to find what's your competitor are selling and what people are demanding for. You can take help of Google Trends as well. This is what I personally done as a beginner and you can follow that too. Now, by continuous scrolling on social media for hours, I found this product. This is basically a crystal light lamp which changes its colors according to you. As you can see, it is highly rated for natural properties. It is lightweight. It has very beautiful design and cylindrical shape. Also, it is problem solving as it is recommended for night lights. You can also read product description. It has LED sources, USB recharge, remote facility and can change brightness. It has long-lasting power which works for almost 6 to 12 hours at one charge and also touch control. It has 16 colorful display which means it can change its color 16 times and have 16 different colors. Remote control facility helps to control it from anywhere you want. You can use it in bedroom, living room, wherever you want. And when it lights up, it will make this beautiful flower design which is very attractive. So I found this product problem solving, eye-catchy and having wow factor. Now before making online store, we have to pick a business name for our business. For this, go to business name generator and type in whatever suits your product. In this case, I'm going to type in light lamps and see what names will it generate. And as you can see, in few seconds it generated so many different names for a business. Choose the one which you like the most for a business. And I found this one. Now let's check on Google and Instagram whether anyone using this name actively. Now let me check it first on Google. And as you can see, this name has already taken away by someone else. Let's try the other one. See, this is the fresh name, no one is using this. Let me check it on Instagram as well. And here also there is no page for the same name. So this is going to be my business name. Now make a logo for your store, and for this, use the tool called Canva. As I told you in my previous video also, it is a free platform where you can make a logo for a store with absolutely no money. Canva offers so many designs and templates where you can design your logo of your choice. By following some steps and using these free templates, I made this logo for my business. It's super easy to use this application, that's why I didn't show every step. Still, if you want to learn to make professional logo for business, comment down below. I will make a video on this topic. Now it is the very important part of the video. Whenever we want to create a store, it charges us some amount of dollar. I'm going to tell you an online store host which works for you for $0 monthly. So my favorite online store host is called Acquid. Now click on the link and directly you will land to this page, and then after some scrolling, do click on Get Started for free, and after few seconds this page will open up for you. Then either enter your first and last name, then your email ID and password, or you can simply click on Continue with Google, and after few seconds of loading, you will see this page. Just go through these questions really quick, enter your city, state, code, click on Next. Now answer these questions according to you, and then click on Next. If you already have website, say yes, or if don't, then write no. Then again click on Next. And as you can see, it is a free plan with $0 a month. It's a forever free plan, so as long as you want, you can use this website for dropshipping. Then after getting into this Acquid dashboard, click on to catalog and delete all sample products. And then add a new product and just upload the photo of the product. Then also add the name and the description of the product. We are going to add price here. Always have a good profit margin even after deducting all the miscellaneous costs. So I'd buy this product for $19 and I'm going to sell it for $65. It's super easy to connect a Stripe account. You can connect your PayPal account here for payment or for the transaction. You can also add free domain here if you want to. So type in your domain box and then click Save button. And here you go. Build your store there. If you want to know Acquid in deep and learn to set up your store for free, how to build website and adding products, adding account, everything, then just let me know below in the comments. I will bring a video for you. And now how to advertise your product for free? The simple and short answer is social media. We all know the power of social media. It can make someone from zero to hero overnight. People just love to watch short-form videos by scrolling over the internet. So make short-form vertical video and post them on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even some Telegram and WhatsApp groups, and market it all the way possible. And once it gets viral, you will definitely get sales. Don't worry, right now it's very easy for us to make anything viral. It's just that your video quality and your video concept must be good. Just check out what type of videos your competitors are making for that particular product for which they are getting millions of views and try to copy that. It will be higher chances of getting more views and more sales. Trust me when I say this, at my initial days, I never used paid Facebook and TikTok ads. I got sales by just making viral videos and built six-figure business. So if I can, why you can't? With this, I'm going to end my video. I hope this video adds some value to your life and you have learned something from this free course. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye everyone.